Good morning, dear pupils. Welcome to our video lesson. How are you doing? My name is Gulbadan Budbay. I am from Turkestan region, Maktaral district, number 9 General Secondary School. And our today's theme is researching and writing a magazine article on adventure holidays for families. Now, please look at the picture and try to guess the topic of our lesson. What do you think? What are we going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today, we will learn how to write an article about adventure holiday for school magazine. Before we start the lesson, let me introduce you to learning and lesson objectives. Learning objectives 6.1.9.1. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences, and feelings. 6.2.5.1. Understand most specific information and detail of supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. 6.5.1.1. Plan, write, edit, and proofread work at text level with some support on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives. Students will learn how to plan and write an article on adventure holidays, and also learn to recognize most specific information and detail of supported extended talk on general and curricular topics. We will start our lesson with checking the meaning of these words. Listen, repeat, and remember. Chartered boat, black drum, ship's head, shark, to snap, to catch. Well done, жарайсыңдар. Now, let's play vocabulary matching game and test your memory. You should match the words with their meanings. Ал балалар енді естеріңде қалған жаңа сөздердің мағынасын сол сөздермен сызық арқылы біріктірейік. You will have a minute to match the words with their meanings. Let's check your answers. Excellent. Very good. I hope you have no mistakes. Жарайсыңдар балалар. Now, we're going to listen about Grace's adventure holiday with your family. Listen carefully and try to understand specific information and detail in the text. The big catch. Wake up. It's time to go fishing. That's what I heard the morning I was going to go fishing with my family on the Chesapeake Bay. Being on a chartered boat was really nice because it was just my family and me. We had to wake up at 6 a.m. I was not happy, but as the day went on, I had fun. My uncle caught a really big fish, and so did my mom. They were the first ones to catch a fish. Then I caught a 32-inch black drum. I could hardly hold it. It was that heavy. Next, my dad caught a 14 .1 pound sheep's head. The captain said it might be a state record. We were all really excited when he caught that fish. Later, we went to the ocean to catch sharks. My grandpa caught one that was really big, but it snapped the line. My dad caught one, but it also snapped the line. My uncle caught one. I thought it was funny looking. By then, our fishing trip was over and we had to go back where we were staying. Now, you see how I spent my summer vacation. Grace Miller, 11, Somerset. Now, pay attention to this task and you need to answer the questions about Grace's holiday. Refresh your memory. I'll give you 1 minute for each question. First question. With whom did Grace go to holiday? Grace went to holiday with her family. Second question. What kind of holiday was it? It was a fishing holiday. Third question. Where did they go for fishing? They went to the Chesapeake Bay. Fourth question. What happened on a chartered boat? Her uncle and mom caught a big fish and then she caught one. Fifth question. What did she catch? She caught a 32-inch black drum. Sixth question. How many sharks did they catch in the ocean? They caught 3 sharks. Excellent, very good. Now, pay attention to these 5 writing tips for an article. The first tip, find a catchy heading. Second tip is introduction. You should interest your readers with phrases or questions and then give short description of place and people around you. Third tip is main body. Here you may describe the best part and the worst part of your holiday or other experiences during your holiday. In addition, you should keep the timeline and use one-time tense. Fourth tip is sharing your feelings. List everything you can remember. Think about your 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. Fifth tip is conclusion. Here you will write your final thoughts or anything you learned. Мақала жазу үшін мына 5 жазу кеңесіне көңіл бөлейік. Бірінші кеңес: оқырмандарды қызықтыру үшін ұмытылмас тақырып табу. Екінші кеңес: кіріспе бөлімі. Сен өзіңнің оқырмандарыңды сөз тіркесімен немесе сұрақтармен қызықтырып, содан кейін сол жер мен айналаңдағы адамдарға қысқаша сипаттама беруің керек. Үшінші кеңес: негізгі бөлім. Мұнда сен демалыстың ең жақсы және жаман бөліктерін немесе демалыс кезіндегі басқа оқиғаларды сипаттай аласың. Сонымен қатар, сен іс-әрекеттердің бірізділігін сақтап, оны сипаттау үшін бір ғана шақты пайдалана аласың. Төртінші кеңес: өзіңнің сезімдеріңмен бөлісу. Өткен барлық нәрсені есіңе түсір. Мына келесі 5 сезім туралы ойла. дәм, сипап сезу, иіс, көру және есту. 5-ші кеңес қорытынды. Мұнда сен өзіңнің соңғы ойларыңды, немесе саяхат барысында не үйренгеніңді жазасың. Let's get writing. Ал енді жазуға кірісейік. At first, we should plan our article. Therefore, we will start from taking notes. Мақала жазбастан бұрын біз жоспар құрып алуымыз керек. Сол себепті де бірінші жоспар құрудан бастаймыз. Take a sheet of paper and on the top write what did I do on my holiday. Then write your name. Date isn't necessary. For the first column, write places you went to, and near write who you was with at each place. For the second column, write what did you do there. Add as much detail as you can. For the third column, write how did you feel there. Near write why. For the fifth column, write the worst part of your holiday and give explanation. For the sixth column, write your feelings during the holiday. Think about your 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. For the conclusion, write your final thoughts or anything you learned. And now, let's turn your notes into paragraphs. Ал енді балалар, жазбаларыңды келесі бөліктерге айналдырайық. Join the first, second, and third columns into introduction. Бірінші, екінші және үшінші бөліктерді кіріспе бөліміне біріктіреміз. Then the fourth column into paragraph 1. Ал төртінші бөлікті параграф 1-ге біріктіреміз. After that, the fifth column into paragraph 2. Ал кейіннен 5-ші бөлікті параграф 2 бөлігіне біріктіреміз. Accordingly, the sixth column into paragraph 3. Сәйкесінше 6-шы бөлікті параграф 3-ге енгіземіз. And conclusion. Ал соңында есе біз қорытынды бөлімін жазамыз. Finally, here you should write an article by using your paragraphs from previous slide. If one sheet of paper isn't enough, you can take the second. Ал енді балалар, алдыңғы слайдтағы параграфтарды мақалаға біріктіреміз. Next, complete the self-assessment by ticking the boxes that best refer to your results at the lesson. I hope that you will use today's learned 5 tips in your next writings. Our lesson is over. Goodbye. Жарайсыңдар балалар. Келесі кездескенше сау болыңдар.